Right, today's lesson is on computation of the mode, and generally we're saying that the mode is a value that has the highest frequency in a series. In short, it has the highest number of occurrence. So therefore that's what we call the mode. In other words, this is what we are saying. It has the value around which maximum concentration of item occurs basically. Now, when it comes to computation of the mode, we have to identify which type of data we're talking about. Is it a continuous series data set? Is it discrete? Is it grouped? Is it ungrouped? Now, in our case here, I want us to look at how we can compute mode in case of ungrouped data. So this is data that has not been grouped. Now, the mode, if I may just the mode of this series can be obtained by mere inspection. See, if the data is ungrouped, just mere inspection will tell you which number has the highest occurrence. Now, on the same note, we are saying that for such ungrouped data may have 2 or 3 or 4 values that have the highest occurrence. Of course, in which case we are saying that if you have got 2 observations that have the same number of highest occurrence, then that data set is called a bimodal distribution. It's called a bimodal distribution. If it has 3 observations that have the highest frequency, 3 observations that have the highest frequency, then that becomes a trimodal. And if the value is more than 3, then we call it a multimodal distribution. It becomes a multimodal distribution. So in short, we are saying that a series may have a single value of the mode. If it has a single value of the mode, we call it unimodal. We call it unimodal. And if it has 2 values of the mode, then we call it a bimodal. If it is 3, we call it a trimodal. It's more than 3, we call it a multimodal distribution. Now we want to look at this example. Find the mode of these values here: 15, 21, 26, 25, 21, 23, 26, 21. Clearly you can see from this data set that 21 seems to be having more occurrence compared to the rest. We have 21 here, and so we are saying that 21 has occurred 3 times, and therefore that becomes a unimodal distribution of value 21. Thank you. As we move deeper into the lesson, I hope you are enjoying the lesson, and kindly subscribe to my channel for such and more related videos.